Hi, have you ever explained graph? How did you explain that graph? Have you faced any challenge while explaining that graph in concise way or in clear way? This is how I can explain the graph. This graph shows complete sales or the revenue of an organization for entire year. In the first quarter, we can find clearly the sales was consistent across 3 months of the quarter one. In the subsequent quarter, that is quarter two, we can find there is sudden sharp spike or sharp increment in the sales, and in the subsequent quarter, that is in the quarter third, we can see the sales was floating around 15 million, which shows 15% floating. And in the last quarter, we can clearly see that there is sharp decline in the sales, which came back to 9 million. So this is how we can use adverb and the adjective to be more specific, to clearly explain the graph. Thank you.